Hello guys, what's up? It's me, Mushtaq Ahmad, your technical buddy. Today, our review of new Samsung Galaxy M21. What is its features and quality and camera quality and battery life, etc. Let's go to the video. Hey buddy, what is another features? Tell me.
Presenting the Samsung Galaxy M21. It comes in black, blue and iceberg blue colors. It comes in two variants, 4GB RAM plus 64GB memory and 6GB RAM plus 128GB memory. The internal memory is expandable up to 512GB. This is dual SIM phone. It is 6.4-inch Super AMOLED Infinity U-Cut display. Full HD Plus resolution 2340 by 1080, 404 ppi pixel density and 16 million color support. Secure your phone instantly with fast face unlock and fingerprint scanner. It has triple camera setup at rear, 48 megapixel f1.8 main camera plus 8 megapixel f2.2 ultra wide camera plus 5 megapixel f2.2 depth camera and 20 megapixel f2.2 front-facing punch-hole camera. It is powered by Android 10.0 operating system with Exynos 9611 2.3 GHz 1.7 GHz Octa-Core processor. It is equipped with 6000 mAh battery.
If you like this video, please subscribe, comment and share.